Okay, we made more adjustments on the mouth. Sanded out in here, took a little out behind in here. So hopefully it won't catch now. We've added our 3-inch spring and our string so we can test it. So we'll hook this up, see if we got everything working correctly. This is really your most important part, is getting this mouth to work freely. Enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page, I'd appreciate it. And don't forget to score that extra $30 off your order when you use the code BTS at checkout. Visit omahasteaks.com, promo code BTS at checkout. Minimum order may be required. COVID vaccines just got a big update because updated vaccines now protect against both the original COVID virus and Omicron. And everyone 5 and older can get one. Find updated COVID vaccines at vaccines.gov. We can do this. Paid for by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. November is back at Lowe's, and so are the savings. Power the possibilities with savings on the DeWalt tools you trust to get the job done. Like the DeWalt 16-piece reciprocating saw blade set was $29.98, now $19.98. And the DeWalt 14-piece assorted drill bit set was $16.98, now $9.98. These deals are tough to beat, and so are the tools. It always pays to be a pro at Lowe's. Offer ends 12/28. While supplies last. Selection varies by location. New Gillette Intimate gives guys a gentle and easy shave. And around there, and even under there. I'm going to make a little more adjustments back here so I can catch my spring better. Thanks for watching.